Cruz anyway. Don't say bad words. Just listen to David Gill and even Roydan Marlang. When you ever say a bad words, do not say bad words. In Instagram and thread me, I'm just saying before, unlike Larry Chwanico, he apologized to me that he cursed me a bad words. And then I forgive Larry Chwanico. Oh, unlike you, Mark Cruz, you're saying about bad words. You know, I never say bad words anyway. Look at me, huh? I never say bad words. Look at Ninong Michael, Makalintal, and Roylan Marlang. Oh, they never say bad words. Oh, Roylan Marlang is advocating enhanced inclusion Philippines. My Ninong Michael was in London. He was busy in a chef in his blog. Oh, did they say bad words? No. It's only you say bad words. You know, for Mark Domingo Cruz, I just want to say to you, me and J. Rick Silva, we are atheist. Oh, but David Gill is a Catholic. Oh, you should listen to David Gill. David Gill is Catholic. Oh, my parents are Catholic. While me and J. Rick Silva, we are atheist. Oh, we do not say bad words. Me as I'm a Shia Muslim, me I'm an atheist, I do not say bad words. Oh, you should never say bad words. You know, Mark Cruz, is this a teachings of God can say a bad word? Let me explain to you. Why you always say bad words many times? You call me an asshole word. You call me an F word. You call me SOB word. You call me etc. This is why Sam Rascal had already distrusted you. Because women, they distrusted you. Oh. You're saying bad words. That's why Juan Carlo Pabale had criticized your bad words because it's not good to say bad words. That's an insult. You know, but the time I could say Mark Cruz, when I was in CDIFI, I was scolded by Teacher May. Oh, I thought my parents asked me, who's Teacher Isa Bancula? That was ex-girlfriend of Teacher Vincent. And of course, Isa Bancula, she was my friend. Did I curse Isa Bancula in Messenger? No. I never say bad word. But I do not know her. Oh, she was a former teacher in CDIFI. She was a friend of RJ Gonzalez. And I was asked by my parents, who's Teacher Isa Badkula? And that was a friend of Teacher Vincent. Oh, girlfriend or ex-girlfriend of Teacher Vincent. Oh, or friend only. Oh. But me, when I see Teacher Isa Bancula, when I message her in Messenger last 2017, do I curse her a bad word? No. I never want to curse the bad words, even Teacher Vincent. Oh. But you, Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you something. You need to learn your lesson. Christian Mengito is very angry at you. You're cursing too much bad words. Oh. Look at my friends. Oh. Who's saying bad words? You remember Klaus? Oh. He was scolded by Teacher Mirna. And you say bad words. He say about GAGO. Oh. He says about what was Klaus said? Putang in a word. So that's a bad word. Oh. Klaus was being scolded by Teacher Mirna. Oh, I suggest to you, Mona Vilus and all the ASP. Is this the guy who's really a member of ASP who's saying a bad word? You know, Mark Cruz, everyone hates you. Even Terra Francisco, Dan Mardayaw, Cedric Mariano, even Ronald Rebena, they really hate you. Even Christian Megito, he really hates you. Oh, Larry Chuanico hates you as well, even Luis Cabales. You're saying bad words. Everyone hates you, Mark Cruz. Deserve that you never supposed to say a bad words. If I were you, Mark Cruz, puro ka lang kasi magmura, mura, like you say about, uh, you say about an F word. Minura mo pa si J-Rick. You know, Mark Cruz, that is your consequence. That's why the Spedmotics of J-Rick Silva have told me, oh, they said to me that Mark Domingo Cruz is saying bad words. Oh, and he's not listening to his parents. Oh, your parents anyway, Mark Cruz, you need to be lectured. Do not say bad words. You know, like me, I never say bad words at Nanay Ningning when I call her an asshole word. Nanay Ningning, my relative, oh, I apologize to her that I curse her a bad word. And I reconcile with Nanay Ningning and I never say a bad words. Oh, I talk with Nanay Ningning about cars. Oh, in Germany, who's the fastest car anyway, rather than Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz, anyway, you will be similar like Paulo Cruzada. Because, you know, you and Paulo Cruzada, both of you, Mark Domingo Cruz and Paulo Cruzada, both of you are saying bad words. Cursing me, everyone, cursing anybody. Is this a kind of insult? Like Paulo Cruzada, he insulted Joel Ferrer. He say about PI. Mark Cruz insulted my friend J-Rick Silva with the F word. I say again, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, Mr. Culas Cruzada, the parents of Paulo Cruzada, and the mother of Mark Domingo Cruz, even in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Is this very nice to say a bad word? Mark Domingo Cruz and also Paulo Cruzada? When you curse everyone in social media, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Threads, it's not good to curse everyone. Like me, I never curse Ate Dina Guillermo. I apologize, Ate Dina. I'm the one who make fake account. I cursed all the CDIFI teachers and staff because I was very angry at Ate Dina. She is my enemy list that I retaliate at her. That she's saying about nagmamadali kasi, that's a word. I criticize Ate Dina. When I apologize Ate Dina, when I scolded by my parents, I let Ate Dina alone. I leave Ate Dina alone. Oh, I never want to harass her, curse her with the profanity. This is my fault when I curse Ate Dina with my foul languages. But you, Mark Cruz, and Paulo Cruzada, when both of you are similar with Nino Barsaga, when you curses profanity, there is a consequence. Look at Teacher May Tiburcio. She was being scolded by her nephew Rafael for cursing bad words at Jeric Silva. Oh, Teacher May Tiburcio apologized Jeric Silva that she never want to say bad words. Oh, Teacher May already stopped saying bad words. She regret her consequence that she will never say bad words. That's all. But you, Mark Cruz, how many times I have to tell you, when are you gonna stop cursing everyone with your bad words anyway and your foul languages? I just want to say to you, Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. Over at Instagram, even Threads, don't say bad words. I am really offended with your foul languages. Even to my friend Jeric Silva. Jeric and I, we do not like bad words. When you say a bad words over in social media, I say again to Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. Just like I said, at least I was transferred here in my room. Oh. Don't you get, Mark Cruz? I put you in my enemy list. Together with Teacher May Tiburcio, Paulo Cruzada, and even Jeffrey Asejo and Gina Asejo. Is this what you like, to cursing me a bad word? Mark Cruz? Huh? What if you curse Ate Mel Canete in Messenger? Mark Cruz? Even in Instagram? What if you curse Ate Rona? Oh. Is this what you like, to curse bad words? Teacher May Tiburcio never say bad words. One more bad words again, Mark Cruz. I'm telling ya, I will send all the evidence and I will screenshot it and I will message to Roydan Marlang. I will message to all of his friends in Hans Inclusion Philippines. Make sure that Mark Cruz, anyway, he will be banned in Hans Inclusion Philippines. In Hans Inclusion Philippines, Mark Cruz, by Roydan Marlang, they never said bad words. The member of Hans Inclusion Philippines, they never say bad words. Mark Cruz, limit your bad words. I don't regret about your F word anyway. When you call me an fuck you, when you call me an asshole. Mark Cruz, I don't care about your bad words anyway. There is karma to you. Your consequence. At least I never send it to the Catholic Church in Laguna. Oh, if I'm the one who messaged to the Laguna Cathedral in Santa Rosa, I want to make sure that Mark Cruz, he will be banned in the church. Even in Santa Maria de la Estrada in Quezon City, you should not be there in the church. Even in Pasay, in MOA, there's a Catholic church. You should never be in there. Because that Mark Cruz anyway is a bad influence. Luis Cabales is a Catholic. Did he say a bad word? Oh. No. He never say a bad word. You know that, Mark Cruz. Oh. You know that. There is a consequence to both of you, Paulo Cruzada, Mark Cruz, even Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo. All of you have a consequences. When you ever say bad words, if you say about bomb joke, death threats over at me, even you're saying about bomb joke or even death threats, there will be no consequence. At least, Teacher Isa Bancula had read the screenshot from Paulo Cruzada. She's complaining at me that Paulo Cruzada is attacking me. I say to Teacher Isa Bancula, just ignore Paulo Cruzada, block him, because that guy is making bomb joke. When I was told by Eliza De La Cruz, the arch enemy of Marcos, she's asking me that Marcos anyway is saying bad words many times. I asked Eliza De La Cruz, block Marcos in Instagram. And I say to everyone, block Marcos. That's why Ryan Chris Lucero had already blocked you in Facebook or Instagram, because you know, Marcos, you're saying bad words. You're saying about foul languages. You should never say that bad words. Like me, I never do that to Ate Mel. I never do that to curse bad words. Even Ate Rona or Teacher May, I never say bad words. I do remember Yvette. She's saying bad words. When she hurts Teacher May, what does Yvette did? She shows a consequence when she cursed Teacher May, and she apologized to Teacher May. That she will never do that again. Yvette will never say bad words. When Yvette was in Teacher Marisa's class, when she was there in CDIFI, she never say bad words. But only you, Mark Cruz. You're the number one notorious in Laguna. Even you, Paulo Cruzada, both of you are notorious. Mark Domingo Cruz and Paulo Cruzada, both of you are notorious. That's why John Almonte had already blocked Mark Cruz and Paulo Cruzada in Facebook and Instagram, because they are notorious. Even the others, they block Mark Cruz and Paulo Cruzada. Everyone, they block you. Everyone hates you, Mark Cruz. When you say a bad word, you're just like Kuya Copio, Mark Cruz, and Paulo Cruzada. You're just like Kuya Joel, that construction guy who is an addict. Not Joel Tolentino. I'm sorry, Kuya Joel, the galang in our house in neighbor. Both of you are notorious. This is what you like, to curse everyone in Instagram, Facebook. It is what you like, to curse me a bad word, Mark Cruz. Huh? Ram Leal is never saying bad words. Like me, I never want to say bad words. Mark Cruz, limit your bad words. There is a consequence to you, Mark Cruz. Huwag ka na kasi magmura, Mark Cruz. I'm just saying to you, your bad words anyway, it's really hurt the reputation to anyone, especially me. And I suggest to curse Sean Mengito anyway. Block Mark Cruz in Instagram. That guy is really not teachings from the church. Bad words is not a teachings from the church, Mark Cruz. If I talk with Kuya Bear tomorrow, if I interview with Kuya Bear, I tell to Kuya Bear, the foul words of the foul languages of Mark Cruz had saying a bad words. Is that a teachings from Christians? No, it's not a teaching. You are an imbecile, Mark Cruz. And then you want to visit my house in Caloocan, Mark Cruz. You want to destroy my cell phone. If you want to destroy my cell phone, I got my old Vivo Y11 that I've been used that I talked with David Gill in Viber. Oh, it was broken. Hey, I have my own new cell phone. Oh, Xiaomi. Oh, Redmi 1. You know, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. You're cursing everyone, even you, Paulo Cruzada. You're attacking Teacher Aiza Bancula. I asked my parents anyway. Ano naman ginawa mo kay Teacher Aiza Bancula? I never do that to Teacher Aiza Bancula. Anyway, because she is my friend. I've been friends with Teacher Vincent. I've been friends with Teacher Aiza. But Teacher Aiza and I, we're not actually enemies. I never messaged Teacher Aiza because the someone who messaged Teacher Aiza Bancula in Messenger is Paulo Cruzada. I asked Teacher Aiza Bancula, block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. I already told to Buddy Castro. I already told to John Almonte, Ronald Rebena. I've been told to Kathleen Canete, even Jens Manaid, my best friend. They already know. They block Paulo Cruzada. But for Christian Mengito, advice to you, unlike Teacher Aiza Bancula, block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. Christian Mengito, I suggest to you, if you're a Christian in Cebu, if you want to be a pro-Christ, block that imbecile Mark Cruz. This guy is an idiotic. This guy is cursing me a bad word. And how he was stupid it was. This guy is very stupid. And this Roylan Marlang had never say bad words. Oh, Roylan had never say bad words. As he promised to me and Franco Morales when we talk each other, Roylan had never say bad words. Mark Cruz, I say to you, do not say bad words. Baka didemanda ka pa, Mark Cruz. You know, I say to you, if Eliza De La Cruz had filed a lawsuit against you of cyber libel, she will report you to barangay. And you will attend the hearing. This is what really happened to me. That I was created the fake account of Larry Chuanico. And I got summons from barangay. From Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David. Oh. Now, what really happened? I got in trouble. Oh, Mark Cruz, you should never get in trouble. Do not say bad words. Even Carl Vilus, he never say bad words too. But you always, many times you say bad words.